Imagine you're investing your hard-earned money. You want to make smart choices, but the world of finance can feel overwhelming. That's where Raiz Invest comes in. But have you ever wondered who's at the helm of this innovative investment platform? Let's dive into the mind of the CEO of Raiz Invest. Ever heard of a CEO who started a successful investment company while still in college? Raiz Invest was founded in 2016 by George Patton. But what's unique about George is that he didn't start his journey as a seasoned financial guru. He began his investment journey while still a student at the University of Queensland. George's passion for finance was ignited by a desire to make investing accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy. He saw a gap in the market for a simple, affordable investment platform. The vision. Raiz Invest's mission is to make investing accessible, affordable, and automatic. George envisioned a platform where people could invest small amounts of money regularly without the need for extensive financial knowledge. The idea was to democratize investing and empower people to take control of their financial future. Challenges and triumphs. Building Raiz Invest wasn't without its challenges. George faced skepticism from traditional financial institutions and had to navigate a complex regulatory landscape. However, his determination and belief in the platform's potential paid off. Raiz Invest quickly gained traction and became a popular choice for investors looking for a hassle-free way to invest. Leadership style. George Patton's leadership style is characterized by his passion, vision, and commitment to making a positive impact. He is known for his ability to inspire and motivate his team. He also places a strong emphasis on innovation and customer centricity. George believes that Raiz Invest's success is directly tied to its ability to meet the needs and expectations of its customers. Future of Raiz Invest. Under George Patton's leadership, Raiz Invest continues to grow and evolve. The company has expanded its offerings to include a range of investment products and services. George's vision is to make Raiz Invest a global leader in accessible and affordable investing. He believes that everyone deserves the opportunity to build a better financial future. George Patton is more than just the CEO of Raiz Invest. He is a visionary who has made it his mission to democratize investing and empower people to take control of their financial futures. His passion, leadership, and innovation have played a crucial role in Raiz Invest's success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.